Every alchemist needs some pleasing portable vials. Today, I'll show you how to make one. To begin, fill your vial about 3/4 of the way with water. Add about a drop or two of your desired color into your potion. For some shimmer, add glittery paint. Shake well. To add leather details, measure, mark, and cut the leather to the proper length. Trace this onto some CosBond Attach Build and cut that out. Peel and stick it to your leather. Then peel and stick your leather to the top and bottom. For your belt loop, trace the width you'd like onto your leather and cut that out. Trace about 3 inches onto some attachment build. Cut this out and stick it to your leather loop. Now peel and stick your loop ends together. Cut out about 3 more inches of attachment build and stick that to your belt loop. Now stick your belt loop to your vial. For added detail, spray paint some googly eyes. Trace, peel, and stick on some attachment build, then stick these to your vial. And now we have a shimmery potion to keep on our belt.